Okay, question number 8. A ball of mass 200 grams, 0.2 kg, always write in SI units, with a speed of, thrown horizontally with a speed of 20 meters per second against a vertical wall. You're throwing a ball vertically like this with a speed of 20 meters per second. The ball is in contact with the wall for a time of 0.1 second. 0.1 second it is here, and before rebounding back along its original path with a speed of 10 meters per second. So it comes back with a speed of 10 meter per second. This is 10, not 16. 10 meter per second. What is the average force? So how do you calculate average force? F is equal to m into v minus u divided by t. This is what is the formula. So m is equal to 0.2 into v. See, if this is positive, this should be negative. It should be minus 10 minus 20 divided by 0.1. How much will this be? It should be 2 into minus 20 minus 10 should be minus 30, which should be equal to minus 60 Newton. Okay, since all the values are given only in terms of this, there's something missing over here. What is this? 200 grams. Okay, kilonewton, 60 Newton over here. So 200 grams I converted. Okay, so 60 Newton. So answer should be B over here. So by mistake, do not mark this D over here. Okay.